So this is 1969, number 31. You could look at this from a derivative point of view or an antiderivative point of view. One way to look at it is if I integrate my derivative, take that back. If I take the derivative of a function, it's going to equal the original function, but opposite. So you can look at it in the fact that let's take the derivative of these, and this is actually is more of a derivative problem. So which function, when you take its derivative, it's going to equal the same function, but opposite sign. So if we take the derivative of each of these, which one will be the original function, but opposite sign? So let's look at this. What's the derivative of minus e to the x? It's going to be itself, minus e to the x. I am my own grandpa, so it's not going to be opposite. It doesn't fit this. It's actually a wrong section we're doing this. What's the derivative of that? Well, this becomes box, e to the box. What's the derivative of e to the box? It's e to the box times the derivative box, so it's negative e to the minus x, and that looks like it works because it's opposite of the original. But when you plug in 1, it's got to equal 1. If I plug in 1 here, whoa, weird things are happening. If I plug in 1 here, that's not going to equal 1. So actually, that eliminates that. It can't be that one. And then we look at this, make that box. The derivative of that is e to the box times the derivative of the box. So it is, wow. This is opposite of the original. So it fits this. And what happens when you plug in 1? You plug in 1 there, it's 0. E to the 0 is 1, and it's negative 1. So close. Oh, no, the original. Liar, liar, pants on fire. I'm supposed to plug in 1 to the original, not the derivative. If I plug in 1 here, I get e to the 0, which is 1, so that matches. So that's why it'd be that one. So that is the answer. But just to throw this out, you could have actually done this. Wow, this thing's just tripping out on me. It's doing stuff I'm not asking it to do. F prime of x equals minus f of x. So you could technically integrate both sides and get f of x equals the integral of minus f of x. And so you could integrate each of these answers and see which one gets you f of x. So you could do it that way also. So you could look at it as a chapter 5 or chapter 3.